Something deep in the ocean made a sound so loud, scientists were terrified, and no one knows what caused it. In 1997, scientists detected a massive sound deep in the Pacific Ocean. They called it the Bloop. It was louder than any known animal. So powerful, it was heard thousands of miles away. At first, scientists had no explanation. Some believed it came from something alive, something far bigger than anything ever discovered, hidden deep beneath the ocean. Later, scientists suggested it might have been ice breaking in the ocean, but many still aren't convinced, because whatever made that sound was never found. What do you think is hiding in the ocean? If you love mysteries like this, follow Curious Minds Club.